Timbaland was in the studio like, yo, we just in there jamming. We played for like an hour and some change. Timbaland records everything.
No way.
Yes, there's some songs that came out later. I was like, hey. Tim, you good? Let me holler at you, bro. So the stuff in your files is actually me. But anyway, so that Justin Timberlake thing came from Timbaland. Like, yo, we got this song. Do it. I did the vocal arrangements on there, me and the girl Floetry, and then that took off. Cry Me a River was like a huge song. I got $2,000. He got like $2 billion. But I love you guys. I love you, Tim. I love you.
That's why they call it the music business.
Do you understand?
It ain't the music friendships.
Do you?
No.
Do you understand? The beginning, I'm playing on that. Doom, 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 good. That is all me.
That is you.
That is literally me.
Oh,
that is literally me.
What?
Yes, Cry Me a River. Oh, cry me. That's GA. I made up them little parts. I'm telling y'all, man. Check the credits. I'm not lying to y'all.
I knew you was on it. I didn't know you was.
That's me. Doom, 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 doom. That's literally me.
Oh,
that's Trippin' playing on. Yo, that's crazy.